Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, on today's tutorial I'll be doing another trending gele style for you guys. So at first I'll start creating my pleats. So for this gele, ratio is 50-50 ratio. So one of you send me picture of this gele, so that is what I'll be doing today. So the makeup you are seeing on my model today is one of my students' work, it's not mine. So I start creating my pleats. I create like 5 pleats to 6 pleats sha. So I'll be showing you the back, the way I cross the hand. So after crossing the hand, I bring the both hand back to the front. So now I'll be bringing the other side, and now I'll be bringing it back to the front. I'll start creating my pleats now. I'll be creating my pleats. So if you send me picture of gele on my Instagram and you've not seen the tutorial on my YouTube, you won't be offended, guys. You won't be annoyed if I've not done your own tutorial, because some of the gele that I need for the picture of the gele you sent to me, I didn't have some of the gele, so I just want to rent gele that we use for the tutorial. I don't want to use any gele that will not bring out the gele style for you. So if you send me any gele style on my Instagram or my WhatsApp and I've not do the tutorial, please don't be offended. I'm very sorry. The thing is that I didn't have the gele at hand now, that's why. So anyone that I'm doing now is the gele I have at hand. That is what I'm doing now. So I'm very sorry. I just want to rent the gele I'll be using for the style. So I'm very sorry if I didn't do it. So now I'll be back to the tutorial. So guys, after extending pleats, after creating pleats, I'll be creating pleats, doing it like fan. You know, I think I've not done any tutorial on fan gele. Let me know at the comment section if you want me to do ashoke fan gele for you guys, or sego gele fan gele, because I think the gele has already trend. That is why I don't want to do something about. I know some of you may know it already, so that is why I did not even bother doing tutorial on it. But let me know if you want me to do tutorial on fan gele for you guys. Let me know. You know I'm always here for you guys if you want anything. So let me know at the comment section if you want me to do fan gele tutorial for you guys. So this gele is very simple, guys, not something that is hard. Now I'll be rolling the other hand, placing it on top of the hand that is remaining from the fan gele I rolled. So I'll be placing it on top. Now bringing it back. I'll be bringing it back of the fan. So I'll be showing you the back now. I'll be showing. So here's the back. I'll be using a face pen to pin it down. I'll be using office pen to pin it down. So if you are using your office pen, guys, you have to be careful for you not to hurt yourself. So I'm pinning it down now. So guys, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell for you guys to know whenever I upload a new video, and also follow me on my Instagram page at Glam Beauty Tattoo Makeover. Glam Beauty Tattoo Makeover. Encourage your girl, guys. Like my picture, please, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video with your loved ones, please. Encourage your girl. So I will see you guys in my next tutorial. Just keep your hand crossed. I'll be posting more of trending gele style for you guys. So Bye.